Hello YouTube, this is Mr. again. Okay, so it's been a long time since they've done what? It has to be months now, right? Since the last time Big Top Burger uploaded something?
Of course.
I can't. Probably like 4 months, something like that. I can't tell. I could tell you. Actually, I could tell you because give me 1 second.
So I was checking my videos on mine to see if it was there.
Go to the channel and see. The last video was 5 months ago. This was released 11 hours ago for us. I will tell you right now, I will try to get this out tomorrow morning. That would be the plan during Christmas, and then you guys get a different Christmas video too. Maybe one guide with it too. Maybe 3 videos if I can get this out. The link will be down below if you want to go support them, subscribe to them. He has a Patreon, all that. But I'll link his channel down below and also the video down below. Otherwise, this is Big Top Burger we are picking up, and it is called Faceless. The thumbnail is of Chaseray and Steve, right?
No.
Was it not Chaseray?
Isn't it the other clown?
I thought it was Chaseray. Give me a second. Now I have... Let me check real quick. Oh, well, if I go through this source, it's not giving me that. Oh, you're right. It is the other clown. If I go through this source, it doesn't give me that anymore. That picture for whatever reason. Don't know why, but whatever. I can't think of the clown's name. It's part of that circus. Okay. Otherwise, we're gonna be jumping into this. More than likely, I'm gonna try to watch through this and just talk about stuff in here, and then it's gonna be breaking apart like we usually do with Big Top Burger. So
Just you turn on captions because normally they like to make captions.
Caption was on. So let's jump into Big Top Burger Faceless. 3, 2, 1, go. I was doing the countdown more for him because technically I'm just showing.
Yeah, and you normally start at 3.
Yeah.
Do anime, so I pressed A immediately and I had to pause again.
If it isn't old Dukes.
Mr. Monkestrup, you've come to see
Monkestrup.
Steve!
Monkestrup.
Hey, Steve. My friends, I knew you would come. I made you these trinkets from the natural minerals of the earth.
Oh, wow. Thanks, man.
Oh, this is really something.
Is that Santa?
That is my father.
Deuteronomy, help me out. You know this more far better than I. What is this matter concerning Andrew Lebo Boy Bebo Babo?
I see. You've encountered the false prophet.
The false prophet.
At first I thought it a miracle. The 2 musical works are nearly identical.
Yes,
Oh,
and
about...
Pure coincidence. In Gus the Theater Cat first one.
Oh, okay. I see why this might have taken a little while of...
no, it does not.
I'm so glad they're answering this question.
Deformed. In reality,
The
the
fucking-
2 musical works are nothing alike.
No wonder they didn't build their world religion around it. That chord is pivotal.
Guys, it was like a very popular show here. Ah, okay, yeah.
Well, why is everyone standing around?
I do
'Tis
love that
merely stone. No
fucking
match for our
Monkestrap is
whimsical
also going
forms,
with the
Deuteronomy.
bits.
The big cheese pulls the threads.
Big cheese.
Threads everywhere.
Well then, we'll just leave the way we came in.
Yeah.
Ah, crap.
crap. What kind of being controls the Earth itself?
Caligari is not a being.
He's a fungus.
From space.
Well, it's just bizarre.
I like at least they're keeping like it's not a full freak out.
Together now.
Sure, cool. Oh fuck it. DG Cooper is so I can also see why this is like Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends type.
Little doves, return to your
Return the slab.
place.
No way.
Not a chance.
I'm not going back in there.
Spider, destroy them.
I'm guessing he's gonna attack the fucking. Yes! Cesare! Of course.
It feels so short every time.
It does feel so short. Like that 4 minutes went by so quickly. Like I think 4 minutes, I'm like, that's a decent length for a Big Top Burger, and then it goes by like in a fucking second. It feels like. Wonder if there's any extra, and then there's definitely breaking apart stuff here.
It is interesting that he called them butterflies and get back to the jars, and then the end song basically says the same thing.
And he called Cesare a spider. Oh, give me a second. It's starting to play Sneeg. Sneeg. Okay, me clicking through this, getting...
Steve, you're alive.
Hey, Steve.
My friends, I knew you would come.
So, they all made it, we get the intro, and it's like, is that Santa? And they are, like, they gloss over it so quickly, like, okay, cool. I do like...
I mean, they have been just talking with the space clown.
Yeah, and making holes in the ground, and talking about how he doesn't know what cats the creature are, and then we have this whole debate on Cats the musical.
I do like how they mentioned that only one chord is different.
At first I thought it a miracle.
Yeah.
Two musical words seemed nearly identical.
Yes, and?
Pure coincidence. In Gus,
I wonder, I know they're going off this. I'm guessing at some point here, after this, someone's gonna go back through and make Cats the musical, but in a different chord, right?
Someone's gonna find a different chord for it and be like,
1 measure 15, the accompaniment changes to the F sharp 7.
No, it does not.
Exactly. It's so warped, deformed.
Why does he remind me of, I haven't played the games. Why does he remind me of fucking Gumshoe? Fucking Steve here. Look. For some reason, him and his getup remind me of Gumshoe. Maybe somewheres in here my brain is like, that's Gumshoe.
I mean, that is basically gumshoes out because it's just like the detective trench coat suit thing.
It was like a
I'm
very-
saying if I ever play through Ace Attorney, it's gonna be a long playthrough. There's a lot of talking in
It's
that.
gonna be you looking up fucking walkthroughs.
Come on, I won't be stuck in a puzzle for hours.
You'll be stuck where you have to
Popular
talk
show
to
here.
one specific thing and bring up a
okay, yeah,
specific
fair
thing.
enough.
Well,
Or present a
why
piece
is
of
everyone
evidence
standing
to
around?
someone.
Maybe there's options to make it somewhat feasible. I do like them talking about him like he is a fungus from space, which would maybe make sense for the regeneration, but also moving on tunnels. Maybe. I'm guessing fungus in space is probably the exact definition. I do really love the joke of him punching the fucking bars and then dying. Oh. But definitely,
He's got 3.
all the talking is great.
Well then,
You have so
we'll
many
just
people that you had to
leave
record
the
voice lines
exhibit.
for. But then you also have
Crap.
all the drawings here.
Being controls the earth
But I'm guessing also moving the whole group probably was not fun.
I also it's
am a
interesting that
jackal.
because of the weird way they get there. We don't see the secretary.
Yeah, it seems like they had just a straight shot towards the boss man. Them.
Well, this doctor, the fucking. I can only remember him as doctor. This fucking chaser.
I wonder it. Though on 3, 1, 2. I don't think they say 3. I don't know if they do. What? Do they? They did. I didn't fucking hear that one first watch it. It reminds me of those old arcade games. Like, starting the game on 1, 2, 3. Like old arcade games. That type of announcer. That's what that's reminding me of. It also feels like from them destroying the bars, it also hurt the boss man.
Probably. Yeah, he calls them fucking doves and tells them to get back in the jars. And if you listen to the outro, that's how it starts. It starts with similar phrases.
I do like Mungstrap, his running of not moving his hands and just moving his feet. I wonder if that was true. If that was truly an exit he was seeing, they were seeing run towards. I'm guessing once he fixed the bars and whatever damage they did to the boss man here, he probably then wanted to make sure they fucking ran into him instead of Caligari.
Return to your
The other weird thing is Caligari here isn't. He's like a smoke monster. It's not like he has clothing and stuff, but it's absolutely just if I go back, it's just like it's just smoke.
Well, at least the outfit is seemingly somewhat
way.
connected to the ground when
I'm
he
not
gets
going
away.
back in there.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna get to here.
If he is fungus from space, he's probably like a mushroom head sort of thing.
Oh, you mean like a mushroom sprout with a head?
Like he connects to the ground.
And it might look like smoke because we can't see the stem. It's like what the?
Or it's like spores or shit.
It could be like Treble, where he's moving his body inside the smoke.
spider. Destroy them.
Oh no!
Let's get out of here.
I like him just standing there and just
with the thing.
yeah. Help me sell food. I see what you mean. It is connected. You might be right, and if he is fungus, he is. It's definitely it feels almost like liquid fungus. Like it's blue. Instead of like a solid stem, it's more flexible in the sense. Also, here's the thing. He hits him with the hammer. In that instance, I'm guessing the main source of Caligari probably went back to the puddle. Because it seems like the jacket and everything, when it's being hit to the back of the room, it no longer has that blue...
It also because it gets cut off. Because it wouldn't surprise me if it chases after them.
Yeah.
But yeah, you should quick pull up the because as he refers to them as doves, he's gonna put back or to go back in the jars.
Spider,
That's the fucking song
destroy them.
that they sing. It also makes references to spiders watching them from the web with their dead eyes, which you know he refers to Chaseray as a spider.
Oh, give me a second. I need... Wow, that... Let me at least do this. What? Beneath the light on my web, all my little spiders watch with...
It's doing the instruments for the...
Yeah. Eyes so dead. They'll catch you by the heel in jars.
Because that's it. It just keeps repeating like that in the motif of them being doves or butterflies in jars.
And we know Chaseray died at some point here. And he's been down here like he's a clone of the others. I'm guessing...
That's how undead start to look after a certain amount
Yeah,
of
and
time.
it's also the thing of... that's... If we're going off that thing, it definitely makes sense if it is fungi, because fungi at least is known. Some fungi are known to do shit. Like... I'm trying to bring reality into this, and I shouldn't be bringing reality into this.
Well, the design of the cave and how the fungus spreads out is somewhat like that, or can be.
He has a shop?
Yeah, I saw. I was gonna put up on my iPad soon.
Was a beer shirt and sweatshirt. You can get print.
Isn't that shirt the in the top right the one that Steve wears underneath his jacket?
It's Steve's burger shirt. Big Top Burger polo shirt. Big Top Burger hat. Bad Food Sells Burgers t-shirt. Zomburgers t-shirt. Hot Tires, Hot Burgers. Big Top Burger shirt. The two different prints. The prints are signed. And then stickers of Chaseray and Steve. Really great. Me misspelling stuff. What have you found over there?
Oh, it's just Worth It Kids weird cats animation that they did.
I didn't know Worth It Kids had a weird cat animation.
Yeah. It's 6 years old.
That's probably why, because I only know him from that one, The Wire. I think that's the oldest I've seen from him, is the Wire animation.
I don't know, you technically seem older. Yeah, because even Wires is 4 years old. Even the Free Apple is a year older than that.
We'll just leave the way we came in.
The Palpatine one's
Crap.
6 years
What
old.
kind of being controls the Earth itself?
Caligari is not a being.
He's a fungus.
From space.
Well, it's just bizarre.
I don't care if it comes from McCavity's vein. I am a Jellicle. Deuteronomy! am a if it comes from
Give me 1 second, I now need... What the fuck is that? Ah, McCavity's main, he says. I don't care if it comes from McCavity's main. It's referring to something within the Cats universe. Because I was like, I don't know what the fuck that is.
Cavity's main. I am a
That's the other one. Never seen it spelled like that. Originating from Dear Little Cats, often depicted as Jellicle. If you're curious, Jellicle refers to the tribe of cats in the Webster's Music Cats, as they were the ones chosen for rebirth into a new life.
Jellicle.
So I'm guessing more than likely everything he's talking about and referring to throughout this is talking all about with cats lingo, which would make sense if their whole like society is based around that. The Cats the musical. Yeah, the on 3 is. I do like they're
I'm legitimately tempted to buy like 2 shirts and this and the one of the posters.
Them like being big size, them gaining size is. I like how they took it like the Ant-Man universe, where it's not them talking at normal speed; it's a little slower.
Well, it's just the science of it.
I didn't realize until this 3rd time watching them run that fucking vampires in bat form. If I go back, right there, they're in bat form, flying with everyone.
Little dove, time.
Yeah, I think this is probably my favorite, like, the favorite little moment of this, other than them fucking debating cats is.
I really like that image.
Yeah, I really like it. It's really incredible. Otherwise, I've been talking about this fucking thing for like way too long. It's probably gonna be a while before he puts on that one, or he could put one out tomorrow. All we know. I'm curious where. I'm guessing the boss man there, when getting hit, he fucking sunk back into his pit there.
I'm betting on he gets disconnected and chases after them.
I'm betting on those other agents trying to fight them. The other, like, chase array looking fuckers.
I'm more worried about the fucking the lady, the secretary. I don't know why.
Well, I'll end the video here. Definitely talked about this longer than you. Well, I don't know, because last one we talked about for a long fucking time. Let me actually see real quick. BIGTOP. We talked about. I think we've talked about this one longer than the other ones. Ooh, but this one, if I can get it out, it'll be out the 25th in the morning. If not, it'll be out the 26th. Otherwise, if you guys like the video, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, I recommend subscribing to the channel. Keep all content. Always, it's been Miss Cruz again, signing off. Have a good morning, have a good afternoon, have a good night. Wherever you are, just have a good day. Hopefully, I see you guys next video. And like I said, everything will be down below if you want to go check out the video and give support to him and all that jazz. Otherwise, hopefully, I see you guys in the next one, and peace.